If you want to speak English fluently, you must use did. Did is used in many ways in English, but I will try to teach you how to use did very easily. For those who think English grammar is difficult, to them it would seem too easy. After today, the use of did will never be wrong. Did is the simple past form of do. Did is used with I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and any kind of name. Did is used in about 4 ways. As a main verb, to emphasize sentences, to create interrogative sentence. Did is also used to create a negative sentence. For example, I did it myself. I did it myself. Here, did is used as a main verb because there is no verb other than did. Did you see the rainbow? Did you see the rainbow? The answer is no, I didn't. No, I didn't. So here we have learned interrogative sentence as well as negative sentence, where we have used did. However, one thing you need to keep in mind is that if you create an interrogative sentence with did, the sentence structure will be like this: did plus subject plus verb plus object, and at the end you have to use question mark. It would never be wrong to create an interrogative sentence if you can remember it. Let's look at another example. Where did you find the wallet? Where did you find the wallet? This is also interrogative sentence, but here we have used WH word. Then you have to keep in mind that if an interrogative sentence is created using WH word, then you have to put WH word first. Let's learn some more uses of did. You did well in the test. You did well in the test. All the players did their best. All the players did their best. Did he say anything? Did he say anything? Did I study? Did I study? Did you know? Did you know? Did you receive my letter? Did you receive my letter? Did you study? Did you study? He did just opposite. He did just opposite. He did not know what to say. He did not know what to say. He did not study. He did not study. He did nothing but cry all day. He did nothing but cry all day. He did study. Here did is used to emphasize the sentence. We did our work. We did our work. How did you solve this? How did you solve this? How long did you stay? How long did you stay? How much money did you spend? How much money did you spend? I did not eat. I did not eat. John did well in his studies. John did well in his studies. Mary did not say anything. Mary did not say anything. What did they buy at the shop? What did they buy at the shop? When did you buy it? When did you buy it? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day, because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment, and if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.